Come to next exercise problem. Second question, fourth subdivision. Integral it is 0 to 2 pi x into log of 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into dx. Therefore, let's consider the given integral defined by it is I, that is equal to integral 0 to 2 it is pi x into log of within the bracket of 3 plus cos x by 3 minus it is cos it is x into it is dx. Now here it is applying of formula integral 0 to it is a f of x into dx, that is equal to integral 0 to it is a f of a minus it is x into it is dx. Apply this integral property. So here a equal to 2 pi. Therefore the given integral I equal to integral 0 to it is pi. Replace x as it is a minus x. 2 it is pi minus x into it is cos of within the bracket 3 plus cos of it is 2 it is pi minus it is x by 3 minus cos of it is 2 it is pi minus x into it is dx. Replace just it is a minus x, a is called it is 2 pi, a minus x, a minus x, a minus x. Now and 2 pi minus it is x, it is fourth quadrant as point, it is lies in fourth quadrant, it is 2 pi minus x, the cos value equal to positive. Therefore 2 pi it is positive, 2 pi is called supplementary angle, because supplementary cos becomes same, it is cos. Therefore it is cos, it is 2 it is pi minus it is x, that is equal to, because of fourth quadrant cos is positive and because of supplementary cos becomes same, it is cos theta value equal to x. Therefore cos 2 pi minus x equal to plus it is cos x. Therefore the next line, that is equal to integral 0 to 2 it is pi 2 pi minus it is x as it is into log of within the bracket of 3 plus 2 cos of 2 pi minus x equal to cos x, cos it is x by 3 minus it is cos of 2 pi minus x is called cos x, 3 minus it is cos it is x into it is dx. Now next line, just it is multiply this term inside the bracket, that is equal to integral 0 to 2 it is pi, multiply this total term with 2 pi, 2 it is pi into it is log of within the bracket of 3 plus it is cos it is x by 3 minus it is cos it is x first term into it is dx plus minus integral 0 to it is pi x into log of it is within the bracket of it is 3 plus it is cos it is x by 3 minus it is cos it is x into it is gx. Just multiply this term into the bracket. Now compare this, it is 1 and it is called given it is I. So integral 0 to it is 2 pi x into log of 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into dx is called defined by it is I. So that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi 2 pi into log of it is 3 plus it is cos it is x by 3 minus it is cos it is x into dx minus it is I. Left hand side also one more it is I. And transfer this I to left hand side equation. So I plus it is I, that is equal to integral 0 to it is 2 it is pi log of 3 plus it is cos it is x by 3 minus it is cos it is x into it is dx. Now add the term 2 it is I, that is equal to the same term 0 to it is 2 it is pi log of within the bracket of 3 plus cos it is x by 3 minus it is cos it is x into it is dx, and this equation we call it is equal to 1. Then come to next one, just the last this equation, the function value is defined by log of 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x, that is considered as equal to f of x. Just we have to verify either it is even function or odd function. Now let it is f of x is equal to log of 3 plus cos it is x by 3 minus cos it is x as function value. Now verify that it is even or odd. What we have to do? Replace plus x as a minus x. F of minus it is x, that is equal to log of 3 plus it is cos it is minus it is x by 3 minus it is cos of it is minus it is x. And we know it is by it is fourth quadrant property, cos it is minus theta, that is equal to plus it is cos theta. So therefore applied fourth quadrant property, cos minus x become plus cos x. Therefore cos it is within the bracket of 3 plus it is cos it is x by 3 minus it is cos it is x. Therefore this called it is function value of f of x. Therefore f of minus it is x, that is equal to f of x. F is it is and it is even it is function. Therefore f is called even function. What we have to do? Integral 0 to it is 2 pi. We can deduct as it is half of the value. Therefore we have integral it is 0 to it is 2 it is pi. 0 to 2 pi. One of the middle value is called pi. So remove the interval from pi to 2 pi. Remove the interval pi to 2 pi. We can write 2 times of this interval 0 to pi. Therefore the last equation. So now what we have to do? We have to continue the integral 0 to 2 pi as reducted. It is 0 to it is pi multiplied by 2. Therefore 2 it is I, that is equal to 2 pi, already we have outside, into 2 into integral 0 to it is pi. So reduct the interval. Instead of it is 0 to 2 pi, as it is 2 times of interval 0 to pi, remove this, it is interval pi to 2 pi. Now the function is called log of within the bracket of 3 plus it is cos it is x by 3 minus it is cos it is x into it is dx as it is. Now multiply value 4 it is pi integral 0 to it is pi log of within the bracket of it is 3 plus it is cos it is x by 3 minus it is cos it is x into it is dx. Now we can consider this equation, that is equal to 2. The next one, just we apply integral formula. Integral 0 to it is a, f of it is x into dx, that is equal to integral 0 to it is a, f of it is a minus it is x into dx. Apply this integral formula. Therefore it is 2 it is I as it is, that is equal to 4i integral 0 to it is pi log of it is 3 times of it is cos it is pi minus it is x by 3 into 3 minus it is cos of it is pi minus it is x into it is dx. Now pi minus x is lies in the second it is quadrant. Second quadrant is called pi minus x. In this quadrant cos value equal to minus. Cos it is pi minus it is x. Because second quadrant it is cos is minus and pi is called supplementary. Cos becomes same, it is cos theta value equal to x. Therefore cos pi minus x equal to minus cos x. Substitute here. Now that is equal to 4 it is pi integral 0 to it is pi log of within the bracket of 3 minus it is cos it is x by 3, then in the value minus it is cos x minus plus it is cos it is x into it is dx, and this equation will call that is equal, this one is called as 3. Now adding of the equation, it is 2 and it is 3. Add 2 plus it is 3. That implies it is what? It is the alternate equation 2 it is I. 2 it is I plus it is 2 it is I. The alternate equation, that is equal to, and both are it is 0 to pi, both are same interval, it is 0 to it is pi. Outside we have 4 pi, therefore it is 4 it is pi is outside interval. Then it is log of within the bracket, first one is called 3 plus cos it is x by 3 minus cos it is x, first equation, plus it is second term, that is equal to log of within the bracket of 3 minus it is cos it is x by 3 plus it is cos it is x into it is dx. Now that is equal to 4 it is pi integral 0 as it is. Now log m plus log n formula, just combine the value, log it is m into n product value. Therefore 3 plus it is cos it is x by 3 minus it is cos it is x into 3 minus it is cos it is x by 3 plus it is cos it is x. Log m plus log n equal to log of m into n. Now the 3 minus cos it is x, 3 minus cos cancel, 3 plus cos both are cancel, and here it is dx remaining, that is equal to 4 it is pi integral 0 to it is pi log it is remaining it is called it is 1 into it is dx. We know log it is 1, that is equal to 0, that is equal to 4 pi into integral 0 to it is pi 0 into it is dx. Because of 0 total it is the left hand side equals fully it is 0. Therefore what is that 2i equals 4 it is I, and that is equal to 0, that implies finally it is I that is equal to 0, I equal to 0. Final simplification. Come to next exercise problem. Question number 2, obligation number it is 5, integral 0 to 2 pi sin power 4x into cos power 3x into dx. Now let consider it is given it is integral is called I, integral it is 0 to it is 2 it is pi sin 4x into it is cos it is power it is 3x into dx. Now here applying the integral formula, integral 0 to 2a f of it is x into dx, that is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to it is a f of it is x into dx. And if it is this condition is satisfied, only f of it is 2a minus x, that is equal to f of it is x. And this it is property, this property is satisfied, then we can apply integral formula. Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x it is dx. That is called integral, the value it is 0 to it is 2 it is a. Now our middle value equal to a. So if it is satisfied the condition, and remove the integral from it is a to 2a, instead of that write 2 times of it is integral 0 to a. Now first we have to verify the function f of 2a minus x, that is equal to f of x, either the condition is satisfied or not. Therefore what is function here? Sin power 4x into cos power 4x is called function. Therefore f of it is x, that is equal to sin power it is 4x into cos power it is 3x is function value. Now replace f of it is 2a, here it is 2a, here it is 2a, that is equal to 2 it is pi. Therefore it is 2 it is pi minus it is x, that is equal to it is sin of it is within the bracket of 2 it is pi minus it is x whole power it is 4 into it is cos of it is 2 minus 2 pi minus x whole power it is 3. Now that is equal to, and 2 pi minus it is x, that is called lies in it is fourth quadrant is called it is value equal to 2 pi minus it is x. In that quadrant it is cos only, it is positive, remaining trigonometries are it is negative. Therefore it is minus it is sin, because sin it is 2 it is pi minus x, that is equal to, and fourth quadrant sin value equal to minus, and supplementary sin become it is same, it is sin theta equal to x. Therefore minus sin it is x whole power it is 4. Then cos it is 2 it is pi minus it is x, that is equal to fourth quadrant cos value equal to positive, supplementary cos becomes same, it is cos, therefore cos it is x. Therefore it is cos it is x whole power it is 3, that is equal to, and get the power 4 into the bracket, it is even power, the minus become plus, sin power it is 4 it is x into cos power it is 3 it is x, and this is defined by it is f of it is x. Therefore f of it is 2 it is pi minus it is x, that is equal to f of x. It is satisfy the condition of f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. Therefore we can redact it as interval 0 to 2a as 2 times of integral 0 to a into f of x. Therefore condition is satisfied. Therefore the given it is either is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi, we can redact that it is 2 times of. Therefore it is 2 times of integral 0 to it is pi. Because it is the given integral is 0 to it is 2 it is pi. One of the middle value is called it is pi. Remove that it is pi to it is 2 pi. Write 2 times of integral 0 to pi. 2 times of 0 to pi, the function is called, it is sine power, it is 4x into cos power, it is 3x into it is dx. Now here it is 2a equal to, it is pi here. So here 2 it is here is equal to pi. Therefore just verify the function of it is 2 it is called pi minus it is x, that is equal to sine it is pi minus it is x whole power it is 4 into it is cos pi minus it is x whole power it is 3. Now that is equal to sine pi minus it is x. Pi minus x it is lies in it is which quadrant? Second quadrant is called pi minus x. In this quadrant sine it is positive. Therefore it is sine pi minus x, that is equal to positive supplementary become it is sine. Sine it is pi minus it is x, that is equal to, because of it is second quadrant it is sine is positive, supplementary and sine becomes same, it is sine it is x. And similarly cos it is pi minus it is x, second quadrant cos value equal to minus and supplementary cos becomes same, it is cos and theta equal to x. Therefore sine pi minus x equal to sine x, cos pi minus equal to minus cos x. Therefore sine it is x whole power it is 4 and then minus it is cos it is x whole power 3, that is equal to sine power it is 4x, then it is minus it is cos power it is 3 it is x, that is equal to plus into minus sine it is 4 it is x into cos power 3x, that is equal to minus it is f of it is x. Therefore the function is it is not satisfied. Therefore integral 0 to it is 2 pi 2 it is a f of it is x into dx, that is equal to 0, and if it is f of it is 2a minus x and it is equal to minus it is f of x. If this property is satisfied, the total integral value equal to 0. Supposed to be that f of it is 2a minus x, that is equal to plus f of x, it is called f of x. We can write integral it is equal to 2 times of integral it is 0 to it is pi, that is called half of the value. But it is f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. If this condition is satisfied, the total given integral is equal to 0. Therefore what is it? This is called last it is integral value. Therefore that is equal to, it is 2 times of it is the total integral that is equal to 0, that is equal to 0 is called final answer. Then what is I is called is integral 0 to 2 pi sine power 4x into cos power 3x into dx, that is equal to final answer, that is equal to 0. You are clear now? This condition is satisfied, the total integral that is equal to 0. Now 2 times of this called it is total integral. Therefore the total integral value equal to 0. Then it is 2 into 0. 2 into 0, that is equal to 0. Therefore the final simplification, that is equal to 0. Come to next subdivision number, it is 7. Subdivision number it is 7. Integral 0 to sine square x into sine inverse of root t into dt plus 0 to it is cos square x cos inverse of root t into dt. So now let us consider the given integral is equal to I. Now first integral value you can write as I1. The second integral is defined by it is I2. That is called first integral is called first integral, this one is defined by it is I1 and this one defined by it is I2. Now first we can take I1, that is equal to integral 0 to sine square it is x, sine it is inverse of root it is t into dt. Here put it is z, that is equal to root it is t. Now put it is root t, that is equal to z, and remove that square root, take square on both sides, z square that is equal to t. Now this equation differentiate with respect to t. Z square differentiation equal to 2 times of z into it is dz, that is equal to d it is t. The next we have to find out a range from it is the integral value from it is t takes value 0 to it is sine square, t takes value it is 0 and it is sine it is square it is x. Then z term put it is 0, it is 0, then it is square root of it is sine square. Square root of it is t value, put sine square. Square root of sine square equal to sine it is x. Therefore, the I it is 1, that is equal to integral, instead of it is 0 to it is sine square, we can write 0 to sine, 0 to it is sine it is x. Integral 0 for it is t variable 0 to sine square, but z variable 0 to it is sine only. Then sine inverse of it is root t we can consider what z. Therefore, it is sine inverse of z dt that is equal to 2 times of z into dz. Now that is equal to data 2 outside, integral 2 into 0 to it is sine it is x, then it is z into it is sine it is inverse of z into dz. And this called it is I it is 1. I it is 1. Let consider z that is equal to sine it is theta. That implies sine it is inverse of z that is equal to theta. Sine inverse of z that is equal to theta. Now here differentiate it is dz that is equal to differentiation of sine theta equal to cos it is theta into d theta. Now we obtain it is z variable to theta variable, therefore find out as range. Z variable 0 to sin theta, Z variable 0 to it is sin it is theta, sin it is x, Z variable 0 to sin x, then it is t when a theta variable, theta equal to what? Theta that is equal to sin inverse of z, therefore put it is z value equal to 0, sin inverse of 0 equal to 0, then it is put it is z value equal to z value equal to sin x. Therefore, sin inverse of it is sin it is x, that is equal to x by trigonometrical formula. Therefore, sin inverse of sin x that is equal to x. So, instead of the interval z variable 0 to sin x, we can write theta variable equal to 0 to it is x. Therefore, this it is last line is an I1 equal to 2 times of interval 0 to x. Then z equal to what? Sin theta. Then sin inverse of z equal to theta, and dz equal to d theta into d cos theta into d theta. Replace it all. Therefore, next line, the I1 that is equal to 2 into, instead of the integral 0 to sin x, integral 0 to sin x, we have to replace 0 to x, integral 0 to it is x, z that is equal to sin theta, z equal to sin theta into sin inverse of z equal to theta into it is theta dz equal to cos theta into d theta, cos it is theta into d theta. Now that is equal to, it is 2, integral it is 0 to 2 times of integral 0 to it is x, theta into sin it is theta into it is cos it is theta into d theta. And this 2 multiplied into the bracket, integral 0 to it is x, theta into 2 times of it is sin it is theta into it is cos it is theta into d theta. Now applying of it is sin it is 2 theta equal to 2 times of it is sin it is theta into it is cos theta. Apply this, it is formula. Therefore, that is equal to integral 0 to it is x, theta into sin it is 2 it is theta into d theta. Now we can keep this equation that is equal to 1, that is called I it is 1. I1. The next step, similarly consider I2. I2 is called integral 0 cos square it is x into cos inverse of root t into dt. Again same, let us consider z that is equal to root it is t. Now take a square, z square that is equal to t, differentiate 2 times of it is z into dz that is equal to dt. Now we have to find the range from it is what? X, t to it is z, variable t to z, t interval equal to 0 to cos square, 0 to it is cos square is x, then it is put it is z in the z function, put it is t value equal to 0 and square root of 0 equal to 0, and in the z function put it is t value equal to cos square, root of cos square equal to square root will cancel, it is cos it is x. Therefore, the given it is the I2 that is equal to instead of the interval 0 to cos square, we can write 0 to cos. Interval 0 to it is cos, it is x into cos it is inverse of root of it is t, we can write it as what? Z into dt equal to 2z into dz. Now we can write it as 2 it is keep outside, 2 you can keep outside, is equal to 2 time of integral 0 to it is cos it is x, z into cos it is inverse of z into dz. Therefore, next it is one, just we can take z that is equal to cos theta. Let it is z that is equal to cos it is theta, that implies cos inverse of z that is equal to theta. Cos inverse of x that is equal to what? It is theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. Now dz that is equal to sin cos theta equal to minus it is sin it is theta into it is d theta. Now find the range from it is z variable from 0 to cos x, 0 to it is cos it is x, and it is theta variable put it is theta z value equal to 0, cos it is inverse of z value equal to 0, that is equal to theta. Therefore it is transfer here 0 is equal to cos it is theta, that is equal to cos it is pi by 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore it is theta equal to theta that is equal to pi by 8 is 2. Therefore 0 the corresponding theta value equal to pi by 2. Next put it is z value equal to cos x, that is called cos inverse of it is cos it is x, that is equal to x by it is trigonometrical formula, that is equal to x. Now what is the last it is line I2, that is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to cos x, we have to write as it is pi by it is 2 x. Integral 0 to cos x variable of x, but theta will convert as a value, integral it is 92x. Then it is z, what is z value? Z value equal to cos theta, z value equal to cos it is theta into sin inverse of z, cos inverse of z, that is equal to cos inverse of z equal to theta into dz that is equal to minus sin theta into d theta, minus it is sin it is theta into it is d theta, that is equal to, keep minus outside, and this it is 2 multiplied in the bracket, integral it is pi by it is 2 to it is x, it is theta into 2 into sin theta in cos theta, 2 into it is sin it is theta into it is cos theta into it is d theta. Now the sin theta 2 time of sin theta cos theta, we can write it is 2 time of it is sin it is 2 theta. Therefore that is equal to the I2 is equal to minus integral it is pi by it is 2 to it is x, theta into sin it is 2 it is theta into d theta, and this call it is the I2, we can call it is the second one. So already the first equation, that is equal to integral it is value of it is 0 to x, theta into sin it is 2 theta into d theta. This called it is I1 value, that is called defined by it is I1 first equation. Now just it is we have to find out as given integral is called what? Given integral I equal to I1 plus it is I it is 2. Just adding of I1 by I2, the next step. The next one, adding the I1 plus I2 is called it is capital given it is I, integral 0 to x, theta into sin theta into d theta, plus it is minus integral it is 90 to x, theta into sin 2 theta into d theta. So remove the minus, just it is interchange the limits, that is equal to integral 0 to x, theta into sin it is 2 theta into d theta, and minus will cancel, it is plus, just integral the upper limit values are interchange, it is x into pi by it is 2 and theta into sin it is 2 theta into d theta as it is. Now we apply integral formula, integral it is a to it is b, f of it is x into dx, that is equal to integral 0 to a to integral it is a to c, f of it is x into dx plus it is integral c to it is b, f of it is x into dx. Now just it is integrals are it is include the value, integral it is a to it is b, one of the value it is called between it is interval is called C. Therefore, in splitting of two intervals as a to c plus f of x dx plus c to it is b f of x dx, we can combine the value integral 0 a to b f of x dx. So now using this one, just it is omitting of this interval, it is 0 to x, to x2 it is pi by 2, we can simply combine the value 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 theta into it is sin it is 2 theta into d theta. Now what is the next line? We are applying of it is integration by part. What is integration by part? Integral u into dv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. Applying of it is integration by part. Here it is u is called it is theta. Then it is sin 2 theta, d theta is called defined by dv. Therefore, taking off it is term u that is equal to theta and dv that is equal to sin 2 theta into it is d theta. Now differentiation of this side and integration in this side. Therefore, differentiation of u equal to du, differentiation of theta equal to d theta, and integration of it is dv equal to v. Then integration of sin 2 theta into d theta. Integration of it is sin 2 theta into d theta is equal to quotient of it is theta equal to 2. Therefore, 1 by 2. Integration of it is sin become minus cos it is 2 it is theta. Therefore, minus it is 1 by 2 into cos it is 2 it is theta. It is called v value. Now applying of it is integration by part. Now applying integration by part, that is equal to first term it is u into v. What is u? U is called theta, v is called minus 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta. U is called it is theta into minus it is 1 by 2 into it is cos it is 2 theta, it is called u into v minus then integral v into du, v equal to minus it is 1 by 2 into cos it is 2 theta. 2 theta is called v into du is called d theta, d is called it is d theta. Here it is limits are given, it is what? 0 to it is 90, 0 to it is pi by it is 2, 0 to it is pi by it is 2. Now that is equal to minus it is theta by it is 2 into cos it is 2 theta. The limits are it is 0 and it is pi by it is 2 minus and minus plus it is 1 by 2 integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 cos it is 2 it is theta into d theta. Now here applied upper limit lower limit value minus theta value equal pi by 2. Pi by it is 2 by it is 2 into cos of 2 into pi by it is 2 upper limit value minus lower limit equal to 0 into this total term becomes 0. Therefore second interval fully it is 0. Then plus it is 1 by 2 integration, what is it? Integration of it is cos it is 2 theta into d theta is equal to the quotient of it is theta equal to 2. Therefore 1 by 2 cos becomes plus it is sin it is 2 it is theta. Therefore it is within the bracket of it is 1 by 2 into it is sin it is 2 it is theta. The limits are 0 and it is pi by it is 2. Then that is equal to minus and 2 comes denominator, pi by it is 4 into cos it is, cancel the value, it is cos it is pi, then it is 0 is cancel first term, plus it is multiply the term, it is 1 by it is 4, within the bracket of it is sin it is 2 theta, limits are 0 and it is pi by it is 2. And that is equal to minus it is pi by it is 4, cos pi equal to minus 1, cos it is pi is equal to minus 1 value. Therefore it is minus 1 plus 1 by it is 4 within the bracket upper limit equal to sin it is 2 into it is pi by it is 2 minus sin it is 2 into it is theta equal to 0. Now next line, this multiply minus plus it is pi by it is 4 plus 1 by it is 4 outside and it is 2 to r it is cancelled, sin pi. Sin it is pi minus sin 0 equal to 0. That is equal to pi by it is 4 plus it is 1 by 4 Sin 0 equal to 0, 0 minus it is 0, 0. Therefore, totally second term is cancelled. Pi by 4 is called, it is final answer. Therefore, I is equal to pi by it is 4. Come to next. Subdivision number it is 8. Integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square into dx. Now first we can take, let it is given integral that is equal to I. Integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus it is x by 1 plus it is x square into it is dx. Now here it is, put it is x that is equal to it is tan it is theta. Now differentiate with respect to it is x as a theta. Dx that is equal to differentiation of it is tan become it is secant square it is theta into it is d theta. The next we find out as it is the range from x to it is theta, and x range are 0 it is 1. Put x equal to 0, x equal to 0, 0 is equal to tan it is theta, then it is tan it is 0 that is equal to it is 0, therefore it is theta value equal to 0. And put x equal to 1, 1 that is equal to tan it is theta, x value equal to 1 and that is equal to tan theta, and that is equal to tan it is pi by it is 4 that is equal to 1, therefore theta equal to it is theta that is equal to pi by 4, therefore it is pi by it is 4. Now the x range are 0 to 1, theta range are 0 to it is pi. Substitute a given integral. It is I is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 log of 1 plus x equal to tan theta, tan it is theta by 1 plus it is x square is called 1 plus tan square, 1 plus it is tan square it is theta into dx equal to secant square, dx equal to secant square it is theta into d theta. Now 1 plus tan square equal to secant square, therefore integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 log of 1 plus tan it is theta by 1 plus tan square equal to secant square it is theta into it is secant square it is theta into d theta. Now secant square cancel. Integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 log of it is 1 plus it is tan it is theta into it is d theta remaining. The next line, for the last equation just we applying integral formula. Integral 0 to it is a f of it is x into dx is equal to integral 0 to it is a f of a minus x into dx. Using this it is integral property. What is last? It is given I that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 into it is log of 1 plus theta tan it is theta we can write as it is a minus it is a minus d, a is called is pi by 4, it is pi by it is 4 minus theta into it is d theta. F of it is integral it is a 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus it is x. If the x is called it is theta, a is called it is pi by 4, therefore it is a minus it is x. Now that is equal to, now applied here it is tan a minus b formula. What is it? Tan a minus it is b, that is equal to tan a minus it is tan it is b by 1 plus it is tan it is a into tan it is b. Apply this formula. A equal to pi by 4 and theta it is called it is b. Therefore integral 0 to it is pi by 4 log of within the bracket of 1 plus it is tan pi by it is 4 minus it is tan it is theta by 1 plus tan it is pi by it is 4 into it is tan it is theta. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Here theta A is called pi by 4, theta it is called B into it is d theta. That is equal integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 log of within the bracket of 1 plus tan pi by 4 value equal to 1, 1 minus it is tan it is theta by 1 plus 1 into tan theta, 1 into it is tan it is theta into it is d theta. Now just taking common denominator, multiply the term to it is 1. Therefore next line it is equal integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 within the bracket log of within the bracket of multiply the term 1 plus it is tan it is theta plus 1 minus it is tan theta remaining in the numerator by common denominator equal to 1 plus it is tan it is theta into it is d theta. Now tan theta will cancel, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4. Add the term, it is log of it is 2 time of it is 1 by 2 adding the value 2 by 1 plus it is tan it is theta into d theta it is remaining, and this one is called it is equation 2. Now next line, already we obtained the equation is 1, that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta in theta. Now we obtain the equation 2, that is integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus it is tan theta in d theta. Now just adding the first equation and second equation. So adding 1 plus it is 2, that is implies what is left hand side equation? Both are it is left hand side, that is equal to I. Therefore I plus it is I, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4. And both it is equations are same integral. Now adding the first equation, log of within the bracket of 1 plus it is tan it is theta, first one, plus it is log of within the bracket of 2 by 1 plus it is tan it is theta, second one, into it is d theta. Just adding of it is the first equation, second equation, both are integral, same integral 0 to it is pi by 4, and adding the first it is equation first term plus it is second equation term and into d theta. Now log m plus log n, just combine the value, it is log it is m into n, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4, log it is take commonly, remaining it is 1 plus it is tan it is theta into 2 by it is 1 plus it is tan theta into it is d theta, that is equal to what is remaining, it is 2, integral it is 0 to it is pi by it is 4 log 2 remaining, log 2 into it is d theta. Now keep log 2 outside, log it is 2, it is called quotient term, keep outside, integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 into it is d theta. Now integrate the value, that is equal to log 2 outside, integral it is 0 to it is pi by it is 4 into it is d theta. Therefore it is log 2, the integration of it is d theta equal to theta, the limits are 0 and it is pi by it is 4, that is equal to log it is 2, then applied upper limit value equal to pi by it is 4 minus lower limit value equal to 0, that is equal to log it is 2 into it is pi by it is 4, that is equal to pi by 4 into it is log it is 2. And left hand side equation what we have, it is I plus I, that is equal to 2i, therefore 2i that is equal to pi by 4 into log 2, just transfer the 2 to the left hand side equation, I that is equal to pi by it is 8 into log it is 2, this is called final simplification. The next one, subdivision number 9, integral 0 to pi x into sin x by 1 plus sin x into dx. Now again later given it is integral is equal to I, integral 0 to it is pi x into sin it is x by 1 plus sin x into it is dx, we can call the given equation that is equal to 1. Now using the integral property, integral 0 to it is a, f of it is x into dx, that is equal to integral 0 to it is a, f of a minus it is x into dx. Apply this it is integral property. What is it? I that is equal to integral 0 to a value is called pi. Therefore it is 0 to pi, x is called it is a minus x. What is a? A equal to pi. Therefore pi minus it is x into sin of it is pi minus it is x by 1 plus sin of it is pi minus it is x into it is dx. Just replace a minus x, a minus x, a minus x. What the next line, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi minus it is x as it is, and sin pi minus it is x. What is it? And lies in which quadrant? It is second quadrant is called it is pi minus it is x, and sin value it is positive. Therefore it is sin it is pi minus it is x, and that is equal to sin it is x's formula. Therefore it is sin x by 1 plus it is sin it is x into it is dx. Now call this one, it is called second equation. It is equal to I. Now adding of first equation, second equation, 1 plus it is 2, that is implies that I plus it is I, left hand side equation both are I, and integral given 0 to it is pi, first equation x into sin it is x by 1 plus it is sin it is x, plus second equation pi minus x into it is sin it is x by 1 plus it is sin it is x into it is dx. Adding of it is our first equation, second equation. Now just it is multiply this term inside the bracket, that is equal integral 0 to it is pi x into sin it is x by 1 plus it is sin x as it is. And now it is plus it is, and multiply term pi into sin it is x minus x into it is sin x, and simply you can take common denominator, that is equal 1 plus sin x, because it is both are same, it is a denominator into dx, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi, here it is what, x sin x plus x sin x minus both are, it is cancel, remaining it is pi into sin it is x by 1 plus it is sin it is x into it is dx, that is called it is left hand side equation equal to 2 it is I. Come to next line, that is last equation, and keep it is pi outside, pi integral 0 to it is pi by it is pi 0 to it is pi, then it is sin it is x by 1 plus it is sin it is x into it is dx. The next one, just we have to taking a conjugate of the denominator, that is equal to pi integral 0 to it is pi sin it is x by 1 plus it is sin it is x, and multiply and by it is 1 minus sin x, conjugate of denominator is called 1 minus sin x, multiply 1 minus it is sin x by 1 minus it is sin it is x into it is dx. Now a plus b, a minus b, write a square minus b square form, just it is multiply and this term to inside the bracket is equal to pi into 0 to it is pi sin it is x minus sin x into sin x, it is sin square it is x by a plus b, a minus b, it is 1 square is called 1, and right as minus it is sin square it is x, a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, write a square minus it is b square form into it is d it is x. 1 minus it is sin square equal to cos square, that is equal to pi integral 0 to it is pi sin it is x minus it is sin square x by it is cos square it is x into dx. Now just separating of denominator, that is equal to pi integral 0 to it is pi sin it is x by cos square it is x into dx, minus integral within the bracket pi is common, then it is sin square it is x by cos square it is x into it is dx. The pi is common for the both term, that is equal to pi within the bracket of it is integral 0 to it is pi sin by 1 cos x, therefore it is sin x by it is cos it is x into 1 by it is cos it is x into dx, minus integration of it is 0 to it is pi, integration of 0 to it is pi sin by cos, that is equal to tan, sin square by cos square equal to tan square, it is tan square it is x into it is dx within the bracket. Now it is equal to pi within the bracket integration of it is 0 to it is pi 1 by cos equal to secant it is x, sin by cos equal to tan it is x into dx, minus integral 0 to it is pi tan square, you can write secant square it is x minus this one, tan square it is x equal to secant square x minus 1 into it is dx. And now that is equal to pi within the bracket of integration of secant x tan x into dx, that is equal to secant x. Integration of it is secant it is theta into it is tan theta into d theta, that is equal to secant it is theta, it is called integral formula. Therefore integration of secant x into tan x dx, that is equal to secant it is x, the limits are it is 0 and it is pi, minus again separating of the interval, minus into plus minus, integral 0 to it is pi, secant it is square it is x, minus and minus plus, integral 0 to it is pi, and into 1 into dx is called, it is dx only. Now within the bracket. Come to next line, that is equal to pi within the bracket, upper limit value. Therefore it is secant it is pi minus lower limit equal to 0, secant it is 0, first it is 1, minus integration of secant x that is equal to tan x, integration of secant square equal to tan x, integration of secant square equal to tan it is x, the limits are it is 0 and it is pi. Then plus integration of dx equal to x, the limits are it is 0 and it is pi. Now that is equal to pi within the bracket, secant it is pi, what is it? Cos pi, cos it is pi, that is equal to, cos pi equal to minus it is 1, minus 1 by 1 is called minus it is 1, therefore it is secant it is pi, that is equal to reciprocal of minus 1 equal to minus 1 only, therefore it is minus 1, then cos it is 0 that is equal to 1, and it is equal to secant it is 0, also it is 1, therefore minus it is 1, then minus it is just applying of it is upper limit value, tan it is x value equal to pi, minus y limit equal to tan it is x value equal to 0, then plus it is upper limit equal to pi minus it is 0, upper limit is called pi, my lower limit is called 0, and within the bracket, that is equal to pi within the bracket, multiply, add the value minus 2, minus of tan pi equal to 0, tan pi equal to 0, tan 0 equal to 0, then remaining it is called, it is pi, that is equal to pi within the bracket minus 2, 0 is cancelled, plus it is pi, that is called pi within the bracket of pi minus it is 2. Now what we have left hand side equation, adding of it is left hand side equation that is equal to 2 it is I, therefore just transfer the value I that is equal to pi by it is 2 into pi minus it is 2, and this is called final simplification. Left hand side I plus I, is called 2I, that transfer the 2, I equal to pi by 2 into pi minus 2, and this is called final simplification. Next one, subdivision number it is 10, integral pi by 8 to 3 pi by it is 8 into 1 by 1 plus square root of it is tan x into dx. Now the given integral is defined by it is either is equal to integral pi by it is 8 to 3 it is pi by it is 8 1 by 1 plus square root of it is tan it is x into dx. For this it is sum, just we applying of integral it is property, integral it is a to it is b, f of it is x dx, that is equal to integral a to it is b, f of a plus it is b minus it is x into dx. Apply this, it is integral property for the sum. So here a equal to pi by 8, b equal to 3 pi by it is 8, applying of f of a plus b minus x, where we have it is x, just replace pi minus 8 by 3 pi by 3 pi by 8 minus it is x. Therefore that is equal to integral it is pi by it is 8, 3 it is pi by 8, 1 by 1 plus square root of tan within the bracket of a value equal to pi by it is 8 plus it is b value equal to 3 pi by 8 minus x into it is dx. Now add the value, it is 3 pi by it is 8 plus it is 3 it is pi by it is 8, both are same denominator 8, it is 4 it is pi, cancel the value, pi by it is 2. Therefore integral pi by it is 8 to 3 it is pi by it is 8, 1 by 1 plus square root of tan, and this summation equal to pi by it is 2 minus it is x into it is dx. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, that is equal to integral pi by it is 8, 3 it is pi by it is 8, 1 by 1 plus square root of tan 90 minus theta equal to cot it is x into dx. Now this one is called, it is equation number it is 2. The first equation is considered as the first given equation is called considered 1, and just adding of 2 it is equation. That add 1 plus it is 2, that is implies
left hand side equation of given left hand side both equation I plus it is I, that is equal to integral 0 to integral it is pi by it is 8 to 3 pi by it is 8. The given is called 1 by 1 plus it is root it is tan it is x plus it is 1 by the obtained equation equal to 1 plus square root of it is cot it is x into dx. Now that is equal to integral 0 integral it is pi by it is 8 to 3 it is pi by it is 8. Now we can apply this root of it is tan x equal to sin x by cos form. Therefore root of it is sin x by root of it is cos x. 1 by 1 plus root of sin it is x by root of it is cos it is x plus it is 1 by 1 plus cot it is square root of it is cos it is x by square root of it is sin it is x into it is dx. Now take common denominator, it is root of it is cos x plus it is root of sin x by cos x, the cos goes to numerator. Similarly for the second one, that is equal to integral it is pi by it is 8 to 3 it is pi by it is 8 pi by 8, then it is root it is cos it is x by root it is cos it is x plus root it is sin it is x plus again taking off it is common denominator, it is the denominator comes numerator, it is root of sin it is x by root of it is sin it is x plus it is root of it is cos it is x into dx. Just it is multiply, take common denominator, multiply this term and root of cos x plus it is root of sin x by cos x comes numerator, denominator as it is, and just multiply root of it is sin x plus it is root of cos x by sin x that comes the numerator. Now just it is both the denominator are same, root of it is sin x plus root of cos x, root of sin x plus root of cos, both the same term, take common denominator. That is equal to integral pi by it is 8 to 3 it is pi by it is 8, taking of common denominator equal to root it is sin it is x plus root of it is cos it is x, it is called common denominator. Just it is take common numerator equal to root of cos it is x plus root of it is sin it is x and into it is dx. Now look at that, it is both are numerator are same, both are it is cancelled. Therefore it is equal to integral it is pi by it is 8 to 3 it is pi by it is 8 into dx only remaining into dx. Now integration of dx equal to x, the limits are it is pi by it is 8 to 3 it is pi by it is 8. Now apply upper limit values. Upper limit is equal to 3 pi by it is 8 minus lower limit equal to pi by it is 8. Now take common element equal 8. 3 pi minus it is pi, that is equal to 2 it is pi by 8, that is equal to pi by it is 4. Now we know the left hand side is equal to I plus I, that is equal to 2i. Therefore left hand side equal to 2 it is I. Therefore I is equal to pi by it is 8. Finally it is simplification. The next one, subdivision number it is 11. 0 to pi x into sin square of sin x plus cos square of cos x into dx. Now first it is, let consider it is given equation is equal to I integral 0 to it is pi x within the bracket of it is sin square within the bracket of it is sin it is x plus it is cos square within the bracket of it is cos x into it is dx. Here applying of integral formula, integral 0 to it is a, f of it is x into dx is equal to integral 0 to a, f of a minus it is x into dx. Apply this integral property. Now that is equal to, I is equal to, a is called pi here. 0 to it is pi, x is called pi minus it is x into, within the bracket it is sin square, within the bracket of it is sin it is x equal to pi minus x, a minus x, plus cos square, within the bracket of it is cos x equal to pi minus it is x, into it is dx as it is. Now applying property, argument of pi minus it is x is second quadrant and sin is positive. Therefore it is, we know, sin it is pi minus it is x that is equal to sin it is x, cos it is pi minus it is x that is equal to minus cos x. Already we discussed several times. Now therefore that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi minus it is x as it is within the bracket of sine square of it is pi, sine pi minus x equal to sine it is x, plus it is cos square of within the bracket of cos pi minus x equal to minus it is cos it is x into it is d it is x. Now just it is take a square inside the bracket, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi minus it is x as it is, sine square it is of it is sin x as it is, plus it is cos of minus it is cos it is x, we can take it as whole square into it is dx. That is equal to integral 0 to pi within the bracket of pi minus x within the bracket of it is sine square of it is sin it is x, and then plus it is square, take the square into the bracket, and here it is minus cos x become it is plus it is cos x. Cos minus x, that is equal to, we applied a property of cos it is minus theta, that is equal to cos it is theta. Therefore it is minus it is cos become it is plus. Therefore it is cos it is square of it is and minus become plus it is cos it is x into it is dx. Okay, next line, just it is multiply this term inside the bracket, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi into this term minus it is x into term. Therefore pi into within the bracket of sine square of it is sin it is x, plus it is cos square of it is cos it is x, and into it is dx, then minus integral 0 to it is pi, then x into sin it is square of it is sin it is x, plus it is cos it is square of it is cos it is x into dx. Therefore just multiply this term pi into this term minus x in this term. Therefore the second it is integral value, it is that is called given it is integral, it is I. Therefore second term that is equal to I, that is equal to first term integral 0 to it is pi into sin square it is of it is sin it is x, plus it is cos square of it is cos it is x, plus minus it is I. Now left hand side is also it is I, left hand side also it is I. Therefore the minus side transferred to left hand side equation, it become 2 times of I plus I is called 2I. Therefore I plus it is I, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi, right hand side remaining pi into sin square of it is sin it is x, plus it is cos square of it is cos x remaining into it is dx within the bracket. Now what next line, that is left hand side is 2 it is I, that is equal integral 0 to it is pi into sin square of sin it is x, plus it is cos square of cos it is x into it is dx. We call the equation that is equal to, the equation that is equal to 2. Sorry, it is 3. Already we 2 already we have equation number 3. So next line, just it is applied, it is either it is even odd property, because the reduced interval it is 0 to it is pi, as it is half of the interval it is 2 to it is 0. If remove of it is the 92 it is pi. And before that verify it is the function is called even or it is odd function. Take this, it is function value is called this one, f of it is x is equal to pi into within the bracket of sin square of it is sin it is x, plus it is cos it is square of it is cos it is x, it is called function value, and replace f of it is minus x. Verify the x's it is minus x, that is pi within the bracket of it is sin square of sin it is x equal to minus it is x, then it is plus it is cos square of it is cos minus it is x, and that is equal to pi within the bracket of square it is called it is sin of it is minus it is sin x it is whole square, plus it is cos within the bracket of cos minus x equal to plus it is cos x it is whole square. Because of it is sin minus it is theta, that is equal to minus it is sin theta, cos it is minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. Fourth quadrant argument. Therefore, it is get a power square inside the bracket, that is equal to pi within the bracket of again sin minus theta equal to minus of it is plus it is sin it is theta, and it is whole it is square, plus it is square value it is cos square of it is cos it is x remaining. Now get a square inside bracket, minus become plus. Therefore that is equal to pi within the bracket of it is sin square of it is sin it is x, plus it is cos square of it is cos it is x, and therefore that is equal to this is called it is f of it is x. Consider the function f of x same what is 1. Therefore f of minus x that is equal to f of x. Therefore we can see the function is an even it is a function. If it is even function, the total integral 0 to it is pi, we can reduct it 2 times of integral 0 to pi by it is 2. Therefore it is reduct the interval 0 to pi, it is 2 times of 0 to it is pi by 2. That is equal to 2 it is pi as it is 2 times interval 0 to it is pi by it is 2. Integral it is 0 to pi as it is 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2. The function as it is pi into within the bracket of it is sin square of sin it is x, plus it is cos square of it is cos it is x into dx as it is. Now here again we applied another it is integral property, integral 0 to it is a f of it is x into dx is equal to integral 0 to it is a f of it is a minus x into dx. Apply this property in this last it is integral value. Therefore what is explained? That is 2 it is I that is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to it is pi by 2. Then it is sin square of within the bracket of it is sin x value equal to it is a minus x, a is called pi by 2. Therefore it is pi by it is 2 minus it is x within the bracket. Then plus it is cos it is square of it is cos within the bracket of x equal to pi by it is 2 minus it is x. Then it is totally we have it is pi also one more it is pi outside, keep it is outside of interval, it is d it is x. Now that is equal to 2 it is pi integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2, and then it is sin square within the bracket of sin 90 minus x that is equal to cos, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos it is x, plus it is cos square it is cos 90 minus x equal to sin x, therefore it is sin it is x into it is dx. Now that is equal to, now this it is equation, simply we can call it second it is fourth equation, equation number equal to 4 is called 2y is equal to this one. The next one adding of it is equation 3 plus it is 4, that implies both it is equation left hand side are 2y plus it is 2 it is either is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 it is pi remaining within the bracket of it is sin square of it is sin it is x, plus it is cos square of it is cos it is x, and then it is plus it is 2 it is pi 2 pi into within the bracket of it is sin square of it is cos it is x, fourth equation, plus it is cos square of it is sin it is x remaining, and into it is dx. Just it is adding the equation 3 plus 4. Now that is equal to the 2 term it is integral it is what? It is 2 pi is common, we can take 2 it is pi, outside it is bracket, integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2. Now just it is adding the term sin square of sin it is sin x, sin square of it is sin it is x, plus it is cos square of plus it is cos square of it is sin it is x, coming in the value. Then plus it is sin square of it is cos x, sin square of it is cos it is x, plus it is cos square of it is cos it is x, just coming in the value. Now into it is dx. Now look at here, it is sin square theta plus it is cos square it is theta is equal to 1. Sin square is theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Theta here it is called sin x. Therefore here this value that is equal to 1. and again sin the square of it is cos square plus cos square of cos square, theta is equal to 1. Therefore, this also it is 1. Therefore, that is equal to 2 it is pi, outside integral 0 to it is pi, and add the value 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into dx, that is equal to 4 it is pi, integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2, integral pi by 2 is called interval, into it is dx. Now the last line, that is equal to 4 pi integral 0 to it is pi by 2 into it is dx, integrate the value, integration of dx equal to x, 4 it is pi outside, it is x, limits are 0 and it is pi by it is 2. Now that is equal to 4 pi, upper limit equal to pi by it is 2 minus lower limit equal to 0. That is equal to it is 4 it is pi within the bracket of pi by it is 2. Then adding the value it is 4 it is pi. Therefore 4 it is I, that is equal to, just cancel value, it is 2 into pi it is square. Therefore I that is equal to pi into 2 pi it is I square by it is 4. And that is equal to I square by it is 2. I square by 2 is called final simplification.